Mhelbeth's table. As I promised, I'll make a very special Caesar salad with perfect pair for the calamari that I made a while ago. Okay, before that, I would like to thank every one of you who watch my videos. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a video in my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. My heart is so overwhelmed, guys, for all your support. Thank you so much and God bless. Anyway, without further ado, we will make a Caesar salad a la Mhelbeth. Here are the ingredients. Okay, to make this special, make sure to buy the newly baked baguette. Okay, I use this baguette. I just run down to Safeway to buy this new baked baguette. Okay, it's so fresh. We just have to cut it half and make it a square. Okay, we're done. Put this on the bowl. And we will do a dressing. This is 1/4 cup of melted butter. I will add another 1/4 cup of olive oil. So it will make a half cup. Okay. Then I'll put about 4 cloves of minced garlic. You can use the pressed garlic to press it to make it so fine. And half teaspoon of salt. And also a teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/4 cup of parmesan. Mix this up together. Ooh, this is yum. And we will drizzle this into our bread. Okay, you can use your hands to mix it. More. Put all anyway. To season the bread. Make sure it will well coated. Then we'll have to get, thank you, a tray. Put on the tray and spread separately. You don't want your croutons to be crumbled together. Wow, nice. Then we will bake this in the preheated oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Bake it for 15 minutes for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, while waiting for the croutons to be cooked, we will do our Caesar dressing. I have here olive oil. We'll put about 3 tablespoons. and a vinegar, rice vinegar. You can use white wine vinegar, but I always use my rice vinegar. I love this vinegar. It's the same, about 3 tablespoons. And let's put about half teaspoon of garlic, mince, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And half a cup of grated Parmesan. And of course, to make it really special, I put about 2 teaspoons of minced anchovy fillet. And I forget something. 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Put in together. And mix to make your dressing. This is a creamy Caesar salad dressing. It's the best, I guarantee. Okay, while waiting for our baguettes to be done, I have here a romaine lettuce. You can use any lettuce that you prefer, but this is the best for Caesar salad. And make sure there's no water. Wash it and strain it. I'll just make a little bit for now because I don't want it to be soggy. Okay. Then, ta-da! I have here 4 pieces of bacon that I cook it on my broiler. So I'll just crumble it like this and put it on top. This is so good. Set aside for this one later. And just a little bit dressing put on. Ooh, yummy. Toss it together to coat the vegetable with the dressing. There you go. So guys, luto ng ating homemade croutons. It takes me about 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on your oven. Wow. Okay. Okay, so we will put the croutons and mix up together for our plating. Then I have here my plate. I put here my salad. And top it with a little bit more of bacon. And also my Parmesan cheese. Woo, yummy. So guys, here is my special Caesar salad. Perfect pair for my calamares. Alright, enjoy your meal. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you also for supporting me. And to those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe and watch my videos, like and comments as well. Alright, thank you very much and see you soon again.